Cincinnati's can create anywhere from 5 to 7 sounds. These are our step that we learn typically after we have learned our drawbacks. Reason for this is because our single Cincinnati is the same thing as our triple drawback. However, with Cincinnati's, you can travel backwards, forwards, and a variety of different directions. They can be done fairly simplistically, all on one foot, instead of changing your weight and alternating feet. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about why some of these steps are important. And I've kind of alluded to that throughout this week. I will see you then.